Hello kids, I'm Teacher Al. Today... Hey Toby, what's the matter?
I have a cold.
Oh no, what's that in your hand?
It's a lollipop.
A lollipop? Oh my god, you shouldn't eat candy when you're sick.
What should I eat then?
Good question. Today I'm gonna introduce the 5 food groups that our bodies need to grow and stay healthy. We can put different kinds of food into 5 different groups.
Vegetables.
Let's start with veggies. Most vegetables are naturally low in calories and fat and contain lots of vitamins and minerals. Some vegetables like broccoli, lettuce, and spinach are green vegetables. Other vegetables like beets, carrots, and corn are red, orange, and yellow. It's important to eat plenty of vegetables in each meal every day.
Fruit.
Fruits come in different colors, shapes, sizes, and tastes. Bananas and pineapples are my favorite fruits. What is your favorite fruit?
Grain.
Next comes the grain group. Grains are small, dry, hard seeds like rice and wheat. Bread, pasta, and noodles also belong to the grain group because they are made of flour, which is made by grinding grains. Eating healthy grains like brown rice and wholemeal bread can help us stay fit and healthy.
Dairy.
Dairy products are a type of food produced from milk. This includes things like cheese, butter, yogurt, and even ice cream. Milk and dairy products are great sources of protein and calcium.
Protein.
And finally, proteins. Meats like chicken, beef, and fish all belong to the protein group, but not all the members of this group come from animals. Beans and nuts are also members of the protein group. Okay, Toby, now you know what your body needs to be healthy and strong.
Yes, I should eat fresh fruit and vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy to be healthy.
Good! Now let's take a tasty food quiz and see how well you know the food groups.
Let's start with the bell pepper. What group do you think it goes in? That's right, it belongs to the vegetable group. What about these noodles? Correct! The grain group. Where should we put this slice of cheese? Yes, the dairy group. Here's the last question. Which group do these beans fit into? Correct! The protein group. Well done! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye!